true, and Islam is last religion. This Sahaba stood firmly with Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam throughout all his ordeals. Never abandoned him in the face of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam. They gave up their families, their homes, and their goodly. The messenger heeds his messages. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam started, example of my companion is my ummah, is like that of salt in food, and food is not pleasing to eat without salt. Dear friends, I speak to last hadith and I am going to my place. The stay of Bukhari, Sahaba who testified to the trust of Islam after their heart were opened by mercy of Allah. When Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam describing the Sahaba, he marked, do not abuse my companion. Is any one of you spent gold, or it would not be equal a portion 7 of a portion 10 by of them. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin.